Good morning students. Now class 7. Today you have to read about the light. Now light is a form of energy which enable us to see all things around us. Now light comes on anything and we see that things. If we go in dark room we cannot see anything. And when we switch on the bulb, then light falls on the object and we see that object. Now what is the phenomenon here happened due to which we are able to see that object. Now the phenomenon is that when light falls on any object bouncing back that light, and then that picture is made on our retina and we are able to see that object. Now there is the bouncing back of light from an object. That is, when light falls on any object, that is this is the object. When light falls on this object what bouncing back the light. Now due to which we see this diagram. Now there are two types of substance, that is a polished substance and rough surface. Now polished substance, when light falls on polished substance, then polished substance bouncing back the light in one direction and then glare is produced, and due to which we cannot see the thing. Because here bouncing back of light, that is, that bouncing back of light from an object is called reflection of light. Now reflection of light is done by polished substance or mirror in one direction, and due to which we cannot see the thing, that is glare is produced. Now when light falls on this rough surface, then this rough surface reflects the light in different direction. When light falls on this book, then this book reflects the light, that is bouncing back of light in different direction, and then glare is not produced and we are able to see this book. Now there are two types of reflection. That is, one type, that is mirror reflects the light, that is the regular reflection, that is reflection of light takes place in one direction. If there is reflection of light in all direction, in different direction, then this reflection is called diffused reflection. Understand? Now there are two types of reflection, that is regular reflection or plane reflection, and second type, that is irregular or diffused reflection. Regular reflection, that is reflection of light in one direction, and the irregular reflection, that is reflection of light in different direction. Understand? Now what is reflection of light and how many types of reflection of light, Understand?